Well, the gold has retraced back up to the level which was expected after the price has made a small bullish breakout on a smaller time frame above this level here, which was 2672.009 and around that level. And after that we can see the price has reached the first resistance, a small one, and then reached almost the second one. We can see that, which was here, 2716.63, which was also a small target for myself, where the prices reached with the wicks yesterday. Now what we can see, yesterday the price has formed this retrace from the here demand zone, which is a support, 2653.45, which we can see that what was expected because of this small resistance and also confluence of support, and the price has stopped right here. Now we are waiting for the price to make us move. Will it make a bullish breakout above this one, again reaching this area where the resistance is, or it will return back down all the way here, which is the next support level we can see for the price. First of all, this is the price on a smaller scale, which means on the 1 hour time frame. This is the first support where the price is going. So if the price makes a breakout below that, we can see that the next support will be around 2673.33 and around that level. So currently I am waiting for the price to go down, reaching that first small support level, and then I will see what the price do. I am waiting for the bearish breakout going below or bullish breakout going above, where the targets are visible here. For the bulls, the target is here around 2715, and below that is the target for the bears, 2672, and around this price level. So this is all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.